Hi, today we will be reading How to Grow a Seed by Helen J. Jordan. A seed is a little plant. It's a plant that has not started to grow. Apple trees and daisies and carrots and corn and wheat all grow from seeds. This is a tree seed. Someday it will be a tree like this. This is a flower seed. Someday it will be a flower like this. Some seeds grow slowly. These are the seeds of an oak tree. An oak tree grows very, very slowly. And suppose you planted an oak tree seed. You would be a father or mother or even grandfather or grandmother. And the oak tree would still be growing. Some seeds grow fast. This is a bean seed. It grows very fast. It grows so fast that it becomes a bean plant in just a few weeks. You can plant bean seeds yourself. We use pole beans. You can use pole beans, bush beans, or lima beans. You can plant the seeds in eggshells, or tin cans, or old cups, or little flower pots. Be sure that your containers have holes in the bottom. We used eggshells. We used pencils to make holes in the eggshells. We filled 12 eggshells with soil like this, and then we made a hole with our finger like this. When you've made a hole in the soil, plant a bean seed in it. Plant one seed in each hole. Then cover each seed with soil. Sprinkle the soil carefully with a little water. Number the shells. Write on number 1 on the first shell, put number 2 on the next shell, and keep going until all the shells are numbered from 1 to 12. Put the eggshells in an egg carton and put the carton in the sunlight on a windowsill. Some bean seeds grow faster on other days. Our seeds began to grow in 3 days. Your seeds may take a little longer. You won't be able to see your seeds growing yet. They start to grow under the soil where you can't see them. Water your seeds a little every day. Water soaks into the seeds and the seeds begin to grow. More water soaks into the seeds and the seeds get fatter and fatter. Wait for 3 days and then dig up seed number 1. It may be soft, it may be fat, maybe it will look the same as it did before. Soon the seeds will grow fat, so fat the skin will pop off. In 2 more days, dig up number 2. Maybe it will look different now. Maybe the skin will be loose. Now roots start to grow. The root grows from one side of the bean and it pushes down into the soil. Down, down. Dig up seed number 3. Can you see the root? Does it look like this? If you do not see a root, wait for another day and then dig the seed up seed number 4. A few more days, dig up seed number 5 and something else will be happening. Little roots will be growing from the big root. They look like tiny white hairs. These are called root hairs. Day after the root and root hairs push down in the soil. Day after day. Day after day, the bean seeds are pushed up and the soil is pushed aside. Watch your seeds. Soon you will see pale shoots pushing through the soil. A shoot is the beginning of a green plant. A shoot grows towards the sun. Watch your seeds. Some may come through the ground. Some may have broken open. Maybe some of your seeds have not started to grow. How many are growing? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 seeds growing. The bean seeds grow fast. The shoots turn green. The leaves come next. Now your bean seeds are bean plants. They look like this. Here's a bean plant. How many of your seeds are bean plants? A seed needs many things to grow. It needs soil and water and sun. If a seed has all these things, it will grow into a plant. It will grow into the same kind of plant that it came from. An apple tree or a daisy or carrots or corn. It will grow into clover, or it will grow into a bean plant like the ones you planted. See the bean plants? The end.